would love to hear your personal background, how you came about working on all the different stuff that you've done in your career, and then what got you into PCL and construction industry.
Yeah, I mean, I've been pretty lucky in my career. I've always had one foot in technology and one foot in the business, and I've never been a pure technology person or a pure business person. I've always managed to skate the line right in the middle. I started my career at Toronto Dominion Bank. I spent the first 10 years of my career at Toronto Dominion Bank, just before. And I grew up in the dot-com boom, so 99, 2000. I made a decision to work for a software company in California. I spent a year doing that, and came back to Canada after spending a year in Cupertino, and did some personal consulting for a while. I wasn't quite sure what I wanted to do, but I knew I had an interest and very entrepreneurial interest in driving business success through the use of technology. So I did some consulting for a bit, and then I got back into financial services. I worked for a company called Davis and Henderson for another 4 or 5 years, just helping them build out their technology practice. And then I ended up stumbling into the engineering space as the chief information officer of a company known as MMM Group, which was subsequently bought by WSP. Spent 5 years there, really modifying and changing and enhancing their technology infrastructure and getting them future-proofed, at least for the next decade, based on some enhancements they wanted to make. And then, a call came from PCL and an opportunity to be PCL's first CIO. And here we are 10 years later, and I've had a wonderful journey at PCL, advancing PCL's technology strategy at construction and moving at least PCL construction up the ranks of that laggard in the technology space, where construction sits pretty much at the bottom with agriculture, two industries that really haven't embraced technology like many other vertical industries. So it's been a fun and exciting journey. And I would tell you, Ali, construction is probably the most exciting place to be involved in technology today.